Hey guys, it's Elijah from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and today we're here checking on the bees.
My skin's been getting thicker since you left the picture. I'm not waiting for you.
So today we're checking on the brood pattern and making sure that they're making honey. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I've been thinking about you. So today we didn't see the queen, but we did see the brood pattern, and we did see that the bees were indeed making honey. I'd like to thank Bill for coming out today, and I'll see you in the next video.